let's have a think about stone. Now, each of the elements have their own particular purpose and their own particular point and their own particular way of working. And again, each element has to be compared to the others to make sense of them within the context. So if you picture something like stone, for example, the way to think of this in terms of a style and a way of moving is avalanche. If you can picture an avalanche of boulders and rocks pouring down a mountainside, you can see that the whole thing may look like it's flowing, but each boulder will be moving and bouncing, and you don't want to get in its way. This is a very aggressive form. It takes no prisoners, shall we say. There's almost nothing subtle and slight. Even the targeting, it's not so much worried about being very precise, it is just about smashing through. So very aggressive, and it's going to keep going. It's going to, again, if you can, the more you can picture in your head what it is you're trying to do, that will always work through to your body. Remember, what you can picture, what you can visualize, the way you can hold that in your mind will absolutely affect the way each muscle works. It'll affect the way your nerve endings work. It'll affect the way you move. So picture an avalanche of boulders and you're going to get stone beautifully.